So I'm speaking to Mr. Nikunj Shah, the CMD of Nikunj Group. So sir, my question to you is, could you tell me something about the products you've displayed here and the technology that you are trying to show for the Indian manufacturers?
We have on display here four of our business verticals. We have the metal cutting solutions, we have EDM solutions, we have high temperature solutions, as well as we have advanced engineering solutions. What we are basically trying to offer to our customers is end-to-end solutions, where customers come to us with a requirement and they have a problem or they need a solution for machining difficult to machine components or any automobile components or something for the turbine industry and so on and so forth. So what we offer is a one-stop solution for all their needs. Under the metal cutting solutions, we represent we have our collaborators who are here from Italy. The companies are Dandria, companies are Elbow Controlli, Alberti. All these are top companies in their own respective fields. They manufacture toolings, they manufacture tool presetters, and they manufacture angle heads. All these are used across around the metal cutting industry around the world, and we have been able to offer these very cost-effective solutions.
Sir, in terms of technology strengths, what have you have gone through IMTEX, right? What are the kind of technology that is strongly being portrayed over here, and if you can shed some light on that, sir?
Well, being very honest, I haven't had much time to go around the show, but specifically in hall number 3, what you see down here is Tooltech, and these are basically tooling solutions. What we have seen is, there are several companies who are offering, the innovative products, trying to increase productivity and cost-effective solutions, and that is definitely a plus point as far as I can see. In addition to that, this time there has been a good response, and there's been increased number of participants. What we can see totally, there are close to about 800 odd participants in the entire IMTEX for 2015. There's one thing which I would like to mention is, we manufacture EDM wires, and we have our own R&D. These are basically wires are used, these EDM wires are used for manufacturing press tool dies. And we have our own in-house R&D, and we've developed these wires after several years of in-house development, and these are cost-effective wires, and the customers are able to get increased productivity, and the costs have gone down by almost about 10 to 15%.
Sir, there is a lot of talk that the market sentiments are very positive. People are looking to do more business and grow in business, and get more of the potential. So, what do you think about that? That's one. Second thing is, does IMTEX reflect the market sentiments also?
Yes, there is definitely a positive sign. The quality of visitors this time has been far better than the previous IMTEX, the metal cutting. The type of inquiries that we have been getting and the type of customers that we can see are surely interested. There's a lot of positive sentiments in the market. Everybody's buoyant, with the Make in India, initiative that our respected Prime Minister has initiated. And I can definitely see this is going to be a tremendous thrust on the manufacturing sector. Lest it be heavy engineering, it's in plastics, it's in aerospace, it's in the forging industry, practically in every industry spread around the country.
Thank you so much for talking to us, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.